Hi Adam, I just thought I'd do a little video on exporting projects from the Tascam file and then bringing them back in again, importing them once we've copied them across on the internet. But yeah, I'm going to send you a version of Another Day, which I'll put into the Tascam, so that's all loaded up, ready to go. So I've just opened it up as a song. Now I need to just use the backup to export it to you. So if I go to menu, data backup, that one, song backup. Okay, and I've called it Another Day 02. That's the one. Next. Now, so here is where it asks you if you want to rename it. Well, you've got to name it here, which is a bit of a nuisance really, but again I'll just call it Another Day because this is the name that will appear on the disc when you've copied it across. It's a bit tedious this, isn't it? But you get there in a minute. Another Day, D, I guess. Yep. Just call it 02 because that's the sort of version we're working on. That'll do. The U, well, not worried about that. So then just press exec. Okay, so now it's making a backup version of the whole mix that you've got on your Tascam. It's not exporting a WAV file, which would just be mixed down like you've been doing before, although that has its uses as well. This backs up the whole project, every single track, and puts it all into one file. So what we do then is we just copy that one file. It makes life really simple. I'll show you that in a minute on the computer once it's finished doing it. So I'll just pause it there because it takes a little bit of time depending on the number of tracks to write this file. It's going to be quite big because it's got all the different audio tracks mixed into one file. So anyway, I'll just pause there and come back. Oop. Right, so that's taken a couple of minutes I guess to do that. It's just coming to the end now. Let's see what it does. Not much, I shouldn't think. Okay, that's it. It doesn't really tell you anything more than that. So yeah, all you can assume is that it's done and it's on the disc. So now I'll take the disc out, stick it in the computer, and we can see. Here we go. Okay, so now I've taken the disc out the Tascam and shoved it in the computer, and I opened up a window, and that's the little disc there, DP03. It's in the folder called Backups there. Normally when you export, the stuff goes into the WAV file folder rather. But this time we're using backups, so a different sort of file. And the one we just created is that one there, ANOD002U.001. It puts the little .001 on there by default. You don't really have any choice over that. It just tells you the file type, which is a special one for Tascam. So all I need to do now is make a copy of this and transfer it up to the server, and then we can download it to you, and then you copy it to your Tascam disk and do the next stage, which is importing the project. I've put some notes about it on the web page. You'll see if you go into Adam's menu at the top, it's just says about importing to the Tascams. So this video's in there and a few notes and stuff. Okay, so that's the file that we send to you. Gets downloaded onto your computer.
Probably Andy will do that for you, or I don't know if you can do that yourself yet, but it's not that hard. But we'll have a look at that sometime. So that needs to go on your Tascam disc. Pop it back in the Tascam, and then you just need to load it in as a new song. So it's a project again. So that you do that with menu. Again, it's in data backup, but this time it's song restore rather than backup, which is what you use for exporting. Restore is importing, and it's that one. Another day. Blah 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 blah. Exec, and then that just opens the project. Song name. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's loading in. A bit faster than saving, but still going to take a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes probably to load that in. Again, I'll just pause it. Yeah, about the same, I think. It took about 3 minutes to load that in, so. But that's it, that's in there now, and then you can just play with it and do what you like.
Well, Adam, I hope that's some use to you. If we can get that up and running, obviously it means we can kind of really start swapping files around and doing mixing and putting it all together, mate. So I hope you're having fun with that. And yeah, I lost your call the other day with your new lyrics on. So yeah, if you can let me have those again, that'd be brilliant. So anyway, have some fun with that and catch up soon. Bye.